up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. And in this video, I have a little surprise for you. But first, I want to say thank you. Thank you guys so much. The beginning of this week, we actually hit 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 plus subscribers. I know a lot of you guys remember 500 subscriber plaque, the giveaway, all of those things. Like, I appreciate you guys so much. You don't understand how much having this platform is changing my life for the better, whether it's helping other people. It really helps me with my creativity, figuring out ways to help you guys understand stock trading. I just want to say I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.
Foxtail from the D.
Okay, I'm not 100% sure where that came from, but I'm just so excited. Thank you guys so much. So, did I even say this first? If this is your first time watching this video, please make sure you thumbs up, click that thumbs up button. It really helps with my channel. Also, make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video for you guys. The topic for today's video, basically this video, I just want to talk about Black-owned stocks. So these are stocks of Black-owned businesses. Right now, I understand that the climate that we're in right now, racial tension and, you know, just everything. It's not always easy. But one thing that I do appreciate is that we have different avenues to express ourselves, like things like YouTube and stuff like that, and we're able to invest. We don't have to feel like we're not a part. I can't speak for anybody else, but I do know how painful it feels for people to tell you that you're inferior to them because of how you look or where you come from. I understand that can be painful, but you know, all we can do is just boss up and continue to elevate ourselves, elevate our knowledge. What better way to support businesses, Black businesses, because this channel is called Black Girl Stocks, okay? I'm not excluding anyone, but this is a special topic. Black owned, you know, we want to support Black businesses. Black business is important. Black money is important. You guys I don't think you guys realize how much influence we really have, how much power we have. Ironically, I feel that a lot of companies are making a lot of money off of Black dollars. And I know all dollars are important. All dollars are important, yes, but we're talking about Black dollars. Black dollars, Black investment, Black wealth, okay? So I just want to talk about a few lucrative Black-owned stocks that you can invest in the stock market. So I know that there are a lot of Black-owned stocks, but all of them may not be available on Robinhood. So I'm only going to talk about the Black-owned stocks that you can invest in 2020 that are actually on Robinhood. There are some that are not on Robinhood, so I'm not going to talk about those. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. All right, so the first Black-owned stock that I'm going to be talking about is called American Shared Hospital Services, or AMS. That's how you'll see it on Robinhood. So let's go ahead. Actually, I should have already had that up. So, okay, this is American Shared Hospital Services. Basically, it engages in leasing radiosurgery and radiation therapy equipment to healthcare providers. And its equipment includes gamma knife, which they said that's used a lot for brain surgery. The PBRT and IGR. Oh, okay. Non-intrusive benign brain tumors. Okay. They are doing big things. They're doing big things. So let's just look into this stock. It is currently at $2.09. Oh, you remember we're gonna start on our 5-year mark. So over 5 years, she's kind of been in the same boat. She hasn't gone too much more than $4, but ooh, I don't know what to tell you. Let's look more at it. Okay, so it has a market capitalization, and basically market cap is the total value of all of a company's shares of stock. So if you took all the shares that this stock has and added them together, this is the value of the company. So market cap is looking good. What is their PE ratio? They don't offer dividend yield, and they don't show 9 employees. Average volume 27.9 thousand. That's not impressing me. And as you see here, we've talked about PE ratio a lot. And basically, the PE ratio is going to tell you or indicate to you whether or not this stock is currently undervalued or overvalued. So we always say PE ratio above 25 is a little high. That's letting me know that it's a little overvalued, but this one doesn't show PE ratio at all. And it may not have that for 2 reasons. One, this company is fairly new and it hasn't had enough time to accumulate a PE ratio. That's not the case because this is 5+ years old. So the PE ratio may also not show here because it's in the negative, it's in the red. So if it's negative, it might not show. So that's more than likely why this is blank. That's American Shared Hospital Services. Okay, well, it does have a lot of fluctuation in the RSI. AMS, this is really on a penny stock level. It looks okay. It definitely has potential. It definitely has potential. So that's that. So next we're gonna talk about RLJ Lodging Trust, or RLJ, that's the symbol for it. And RLJ is basically a independent equity real estate investment trust firm. They manage real estate funds and invest in real estate markets. So it's pretty much just a real estate stock. And as you see here, let's look at this 5-year mark. It doesn't show its PE ratio, so I don't know if it's negative. At least they have more employees. Market cap 1.59 billion. That's not bad. And their average volume is around 1 million, 1.13 million. We like volumes at least 1 million. So this one looks okay. The next black owned stock that we're going to talk about is Broadway Financial, or BYFC. So this is on Robinhood. And basically Broadway Financial provides savings and loan services to low, moderate income communities in Southern California. So they have a market cap of about 48.79 million, average volume 1.27. So I mean, that's decent. And you see today they did fairly well. Let's look at the 5-year trend. Not a lot going on. I know there's a lot of movement, with all this race war and stuff. Everybody wants to support black businesses right now. So maybe it'll increase, but this 5-year trend, it's not looking like it's moving much, except for in June and July of this year, but it's really not doing much. This doesn't look super impressive to me, but I feel that it has potential. But their Q2 looks really high. It looks okay. They're giving out loans and stuff like that, so I'm pretty sure some people might be needing some loans right now. We have all these storms and stuff just coming around and messing everything up. So the next black owned stock that we're going to talk about is Carver Bank, New York, or CARV. So let's go ahead and look at that. A lot of them are moving in June. What was going on in June that had everybody in a roar? They have 107 employees, market cap 17.14 million, average of 762,000. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all what Carver Federal Savings Bank does. They're based in New York, and it basically operates as a bank holding company for Commerce Federal Savings Bank, a savings bank that provides consumers and commercial banking services for customers, businesses, and the government. I mean, it just kind of seems like it's steady right now. It's not moving much. If you were to get profit off stocks like these, it seems like you would really just need to make micro profits, trade options. That's one way to be lucrative with this, because these stocks are not really moving that much. Carver, they're looking okay for, it's a little over a penny stock, because I classify a penny stock as any stock that's priced less than $5, and this is $5.91, so a little over. All right, and the last black owned stock that I'm gonna be talking about, I know everybody knows this one. This one is huge, but it's actually called Urban One or U1. The ticker symbol is UONEK, but Urban One is basically, it's a multimedia company, and they engage in radio broadcasting operations that targets African Americans. I think they said a majority makeup of their audience is about 85% black, which is fine. Market capital 50.73, it's not bad. Average volume 1.3 million. This looks pretty good. Ooh, look at today's stock, it went well. Let's look at 5 years. They all have the same looking pattern for over a year, and then all of a sudden in June it just spiked up. What happened in June that made this happen? So Urban One is the largest black-owned media production company in the United States. They actually purchased Comcast's stake in the TV One network battle that they had, so they got TV One. It's definitely a penny stock. You can utilize some of the RSI comeback pattern. It goes up, down, up, down. Right now, I don't know. A lot of people are saying they made a lot of money off of these stocks, but it was probably back in June. Right now, it's not doing a whole lot. It's not doing a lot, but there's still money to be made, even if it's the smallest amount. I think a lot of times, I know me, I'm looking for big jumps, big profits, but a lot of times it's small little increments that really get you there. I don't know. Honestly, I really just wanted to make this video to say thank you to you guys for subscribing to my channel, always leaving supportive comments and just really rocking with me. And I just wanted to show you a few black-owned stocks that you can invest in. Support black business, baby. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I have for you today. Did you like this video? Tell me, which one of these stocks do you think you would invest in? Which one seems the best to you, or do you think they're any good at all? Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of these stocks. Please make sure you click that thumbs up button. Really helps the channel. Click that thumbs up button. Come on, it's free. I'm begging now. No, I'm not. But make sure that you subscribe. Click that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a video for you guys. Be patient with me. I appreciate your patience. I really appreciate your patience. I'll catch you guys on the next video, all right?